Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable voice without any ID or verification. So first you on the top left you need to click on settings and then go to help. Here you need to search for voice chat and then click on chat with voice. After clicking you need to scroll down until you see need more help, contact support here. Here a form will appear, you need to fill it down. You need to enter your username. So on the top left you will see your username. You can enter your name, it is optional. You need to enter your email address on which the Roblox team will contact you. And then you need to confirm your email address, type it again. And then you need to select the device that you are on. Since I am on PC, so I will select PC. And then here it's the main part. You need to go select chat and age settings. And then in the sub option you will need to select adjust child privacy and security settings. So that was the main part. In the description you need to enter your issue. I have previously made some tests. You need to just copy and paste it. So this is the text that I have wrote. You can pause the video so that you can write it down. And after you are done, you need to click submit. And within 24 or 48 hours, the Roblox team will contact you and your voice chat will be enabled. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends and like our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.